If you want this type of animation inside After Effects, you need this plugin named GeoLayer. How to install GeoLayer? If you want, so just comment in our comment box. I definitely made video how to install GeoLayers in After Effects. I will provide you GeoLayers. Okay. So first of all, open After Effects and try to create this type of animation inside After Effects. We first open our After Effects, create new project button and new comp. Select 1080 by 9020 and press OK button. And if you see this composition and go to window button and extension and click GeoLayer. If you click in GeoLayer, you will provide like this type of I uh, this type of title. You need to drop in like this place and create new project. Press cancel. I want new project, then create a new project. Save yes. Select the folder which you want to save this file. Okay, I save this download button and I just name map animation tutorial. ठीक है? Okay, so I need this and also 1080 by 9020. Okay, and press next button and don't select if like this type of map. Don't select. Okay, create button. Click on create button and you like this type of manager. Use After Effects. If you use After Effects, just default button and my skin also convert into vertical. That's easy to use After Effects. Okay. If you see this provider attribution, how to remove this? Just click on this button and create settings. And if you show this button attribution, press select none and apply. Now the button goes to go. Okay, my English is very big, so that's ignored my English. Okay, I want to create this type. First we need this project file. No, not project file. I need this map animation render. Go to ready. I want only audio. Okay. दुनिया की सबसे ठंडी कंट्री है रसिया. मोस्ट कोल्डेस्ट country in the world is Russia. First, you need to mark all of country. Okay. First, we need to listen this audio. If you want to is wave audio wave, so press L button. If you can't see then press 2 times of L button. Okay. Now see the audio wave. दुनिया की सबसे ठंडी कंट्री है रसिया. यहाँ पे आके मुझे क्या करना है, मार्क कर लेना है. कम दिस साइड एंड मार्क, प्रेस द मार्क बटन. ओके. दुनिया की सबसे गर्म कंट्री है बुर्किना फासो एंड प्रेस दिस मार्क बटन ऑल एंड नाउ सी दिस मार्क बटन एक्टिवेट. ओके. दुनिया की सबसे जनसंख्या वाला देश है भारत. आई ऑल्सो क्रिएट दिस टाइप इन फास्ट फॉरवर्ड. ओके. दुनिया की सबसे ठंडी कंट्री रसिया. You go to GeoLayer and search the name Russia. RUSSA and add to browser. Don't draw this that time. Okay. Add to browser and now you click this button, draw features. Okay. Now you see this Russia is available for my comp. Okay. And I change the color if I want like this type. And if I want to change this mode, like I want blend mode, just click in this button, press overlay. That's it. This look amazing right now. If you want to add stock in comp of Russia, so just click in this and press right button of mouse and go to style Go to stock, add some stock. Like if I want white stock in Russia layer, now see this stock will be added in. Do you think why we can't add from this type? This called lengthy. Okay, so don't use this. Use my method. Add, go to layer, स्टाइल एंड स्टोक विल बी ऑल्सो ओके। एंड दुनिया की सबसे ठंडी कंट्री है रसिया, दुनिया की सबसे गर्म कंट्री है बुर्किना फासो। वी नीड we need transcript of this because English my not good. I want task notepad. If you see this, I want क्या बुर्किना फासो, just copy and paste here. That country was visible. Press add to browser and draw the feathers. Now you see this country. If you can't see this, drag this layer and this Burkina Faso. Okay. If you want to add the stock inside Burkina Faso, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? What we want to do? Just click on Russia layer and press stock. Sorry, click on stock and Control C and press Burkina Faso and Control V. Now this stock available. If you want this color one, if you want the color change of Burkina Faso map, just click on fill button. I want in green, and his mode also overlay. That's it. Color will be changed. दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा देश वाला है भारत, मतलब जनसंख्या सबसे अधिक भारत में है। मोस्ट पॉपुलेट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड वाज रशिया, नॉट is India. Okay, not China. I want to drag this here and import a file because when I click search button and press India, you see this India will not allow our government to use because we know Jammu and Kashmir will be part of India. That's why I can't use this because this POK remove in some government issue. Okay, you click on our description box and import this file. Okay, and press after importing this file, press the download button, drag feather. Yes, now see the India. If you want to change the color, you know how to change the color. I want this type of yellow. Okay, and mode is overlay. Now the color will be changed. Okay, fast forward. In this audio level, I want to show the Russia. Okay, so first press on this keyframe button. Okay, after before clicking this keyframe, you want to slide your map inside because some Russia part valid, matlab invalid from this image. Okay, press this button and after few frame you slide up like this and small this. You see the Russia, but not all. Yes, now it's good. So now you have this type of animation. You just see this animation. दुनिया की सबसे ठंडी कंट्री है रसिया। उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट वी उसके बाद बुर्किना फासो. So just slide this button and go to Burkina Faso. Here is Burkina Faso, zoom in and some slide up. Now zoom this. That's great. Now see the animation. That's good. If you add this level, like you want to add level, just click this button. I want Burkina Faso. Press this button, level, and add level. Now you see this Burkina Faso. I Yes. Now can you see this Burkina Faso? You want to do the all of layer, like my Russia. Press Russia and add level, add level, Luxembourg, add level. All of layer you want to add, click on add level button. Okay. So now you have Russia. You have this type of animation, and second you have this, and third was this. Which country? दुनिया की सबसे जनसंख्या, मोस्ट पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री इन द होल वर्ल्ड वाज इंडिया, इज इंडिया. ओके, जस्ट ड्रैग एंड sorry, just oh sorry, you want to drag the geo layer, not the main comp layer. Okay, slide, and now see the India, just small in. Now you see the India, Bharat Mata ki jai. Okay, you can't see the level. Okay, just click and level button and add level. Now you see the India, Bharat Mata. Okay, just show this animation. Okay, that's fine. Video is too long, that's why I would prefer to fast this video. Okay, after completing of all of this stuff, okay, you want to make sequence like this. When he saw Russia, I want to remove India. Okay, just click in India and slide down. Now see this India remove from this comp. Also remove this, which name, South Sudan. Remove this, Russia. Okay, I want to add some picture inside this box. All pictures provided in this your description box. You just click and use all picture. Russia was coolest city, sorry, coolest country. I will just drag here, and I want to round circle, so just I click effect panel and search roughen edges, and slide down our in this image, and you want to just copy my setting. Okay, I can't speak more in English, just copy, and roundness will be, you see this roundness. Okay, I want to also add a stroke, so just click in this button and layer stroke, and I want to create white stroke, so click on this, and okay, now see this stroke. After completing this, you see this, whenever you play button, click on play button, the image will be not track this Russia. What we do, just click on your picture button and parent, and just click Russia. Whenever you click Russia, that's, now the map will be track this Russia. Okay, now fast forward. After doing of all of this, you saw this animation. Okay,
दुनिया की सबसे ठंडी कंट्री है रशिया, दुनिया की सबसे गर्म कंट्री है बुर्किना फासो और दुनिया के सबसे ज्यादा जनसंख्या वाला देश है भारत। दुनिया का सबसे कम जनसंख्या वाला देश है वेटिकन सिटी, दुनिया का सबसे अमीर देश है लग्जमबर्ग और दुनिया का सबसे गरीब देश है साउथ सुडान।
To show this sum of the map have no level. So just click on this and go to geolayers and which South Sudan. Okay, where my South Sudan? If you can't see that, just share South Sudan and press add level. Now see this level. Okay, you want to do this all of. If you want this type of tutorial, just click subscribe button and comment which part you favorite. Like don't comment my English.